When I first enrolled in the Icon Business Program, I was such a noob. I didn't know anything really about how the music business works. And so having people with actual experience in the music industry was something that Icon really provided that a regular business program wouldn't. It was like really inspiring just to hear everybody's stories because nobody's story is the same.
Not to toot my own horn, but I think having the instructors is a huge asset that when I was growing up and I wanted to work in the music business, that's something that I was missing. You have someone teaching your class right in front of you who has done deals bigger than you could ever imagine.
The goal of the music business program at Icon Collective is to educate the next wave of music business professionals so that they can go out and radically impact the industry. A lot of the music industry is contracts and emails and communication, but then there is another side where you're on the road tour managing or potentially doing logistics, you're stage managing, you're even in the studio doing artist development, listening to demos. There are so many jobs in the music industry, but with these skill sets, you're going to be able to pick your lane.
I'm helping the program, bringing in a lot of internships and making connections with companies that are willing to accept interns. And it's required to graduate. I think that's really important because you have to keep and maintain an internship, which means keep and maintain a job. We've had students land internships with booking agencies, record labels, artist management companies, tech, marketing, music licensing, and much, much more.
Walking through the halls at Icon Collective is crazy because you never know who someone is going to be, or who somebody even is, or what their music sounds like, or what projects they're working on. In the music business program, this is amazing because these are potential clients everywhere.
One of the main misconceptions is that you have to know music in order to work in the music business. What you need is a love for music and a passion for music. Could be hip-hop, could be EDM, could be country, could be singer-songwriter. It doesn't matter, this is the place.
I think this program could be good for anybody that really loves music, but not necessarily a musician. They just have music in them. So if you're musical and you like business, come on in.
There is a lot of knowledge that you need to have be successful. But it makes it all worth it that you get to work with artists that you love. You have clients that you look up to and you are emotionally connected to their work.
Imagine being at a show and there's a sea of 50,000 people that are all passionate about music that your artist has made. And you are a key contributor to the success of that artist. And then seeing it come to fruition in a way that is beyond what you could even imagine, that's the excitement of the music industry for me.